Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs! Have you ever dreamt of starting your own online store but felt overwhelmed by the process? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you how I built my first online store in just 30 days. Trust me, if I can do it, so can you. So let's dive right in. Day 1, it all began with an idea. I took some time to brainstorm and identify a niche that I was passionate about. This is crucial because your enthusiasm will keep you motivated through the ups and downs. By day 3, I had settled on my niche and started researching my target market. I used tools like Google Trends and social media platforms to understand what people were talking about and what they needed. Don't skip this step, knowing your audience is key to your success. Now on to day 7. It was time to choose a platform for my store. After weighing my options, I went with Shopify because it's user-friendly and offers great support. I signed up for a free trial to get the ball rolling. Day 10 was all about design. I chose a clean, professional template and customized it to reflect my brand's personality. Remember, your store's look and feel can make or break a sale, so put in the effort to make it appealing. By day 15, I was sourcing products. I reached out to suppliers and negotiated deals. Building good relationships with your suppliers can help you get better prices and reliable service. Next, on day 20, I focused on creating compelling product descriptions and high-quality images. This helps in convincing your customers to hit that buy button. Don't underestimate the power of good copy and visuals. Day 25 arrived, and I set up my payment gateways. I chose options like PayPal and Stripe to make transactions smooth and secure for my customers. Ensuring a seamless checkout process can greatly reduce cart abandonment. By day 28, I was knee-deep in marketing. I started with social media campaigns and reached out to influencers in my niche. Building hype around your launch is crucial. Remember, visibility is vital. Finally, on day 30, I launched my store. It was an exhilarating moment. But remember, launching is just the beginning. Keep iterating, learning from your customers, and improving your store. Building an online store in 30 days was a roller coaster, but it was worth every second. If you're passionate and determined, you can do it too. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today, and who knows, you might just create the next big thing. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips. Until next time, keep hustling.